Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the Fluke 1735 has battery power and an SD card inserted. This avoids dropped sessions. Next, set the internal clock and choose measurement mode, voltage, current, or power, because accurate timestamps and mode affect every downstream calculation. Once done, select a sampling interval like 1 second for transient capture or 1 minute for trend logging, and physically attach the current clamps and voltage leads to the correct phases. This is the first actionable step that gets you live data quickly. You now continue by mapping channels and labeling clamps so the recorder knows which conductor is which. This prevents phase swaps and bad analysis later. Then configure recording duration and triggers, set thresholds for alerts, and enable harmonic or inrush capture when analyzing motor starts or distorted loads. Make sure the neutral/reference and ground connections are correct, because incorrect referencing skews power factor and energy numbers. Finally, run a short test capture to verify channel alignment and data integrity before the full logging run. You finish by stopping the logger safely, then download data either by removing the SD card or connecting via USB. This preserves the file structure and timestamps. Next, import into Fluke Energy Analyze or similar software, label each recording with location and date, and export CSV or PGF for reporting and archival. If something goes wrong, sudden jumps or gaps, first check clamp seating, time synchronization, and SD write errors, because mechanical contact or file corruption are the most common causes you can fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.